Hey guys, so the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro are now official with the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and MIUI 14 software. Yeah, Xiaomi went all out this time, and I love the fact how they gave an equal importance to the non-Pro variant of the Xiaomi 13 series. So starting with the Xiaomi 13 Pro, it is the best in class device with 6.73-inch display and max out refresh rate. Best part is it has got curved edges, which I like a lot, and there's HDR10 plus support, and the peak brightness can go max out 1900 nits, which is brighter than Samsung S22 Ultra 1750 nits, but not close to iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is fine for a device costing half the price. The rear design got a squarish module with the famous 1-inch Sony IMX989 camera, can shoot amazing images. We have seen the performance in Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Yeah, on top there's Leica lens and Hyper OIS stabilization, which is awesome. Then there is a telephoto lens with 3x zoom and a super wide angle shooter of 50 megapixel each. So yeah, overall a fantastic setup, and yeah, of course can shoot awesome images in day and night lighting condition thanks to the best in class sensor, Leica optimization and latest ISP. The main highlight of this device is TSMC made 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is powerful and power efficient with Antutu score reaching a million plus. This with LPDDR5X RAM and powerful UFS 4.0 storage is gonna destroy most flagship out there in the market right now. So an extremely powerful device with decent heat dissipation, IP68 certification, IR blaster is on top, and yes, a not so small 4820 mAh battery with Surge P1 chip allowing 120 watts of fast wired charging. Then comes the small but powerful package. So yeah, the Xiaomi 13 got a 6.36-inch 1080p display with high refresh rate in that boxy finish module. You can say the design language is similar to the iPhone 14, but with a small chin and hole punch selfie shooter, this device looks way better than any flat phone out there. So no compromise whatsoever, and the best part is it has got a 50 megapixel main with Hyper OIS, 10 megapixel telephoto with Leica lens, and a 12 megapixel super wide angle shooter. So a very decent setup, and these are some official shots showing off how amazing the cameras are for this price. The icing on cake is 8 Gen 2 powerful silicon. IR blaster is on top. It is IP68 certified and got 4500 mAh battery with 67 watts of fast wired plus 50 watts wireless and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. So yeah, without any doubt, a hot device coming in some exciting finishes. There's ceramic back and glass back on Pro and non-Pro with a leather variant too, and then there are some eye-catching, not so popular flashy colors for the Xiaomi 13. Xiaomi MIUI 14 based on A13 is gonna power both these devices and got some massive internal changes like less bloatware, new widget, some changes in the animation and performance, and some small tweaks here and there. The interface is sorta similar to MIUI 13, which may sound not again, but yes, other than that it is a massive upgrade, and yes, I'll install it on my Xiaomi 12s Ultra, so the full video review is coming soon. The Xiaomi 13 starts at 39.99 yuan, which is 47,000 INR slash 574 US dollars. Xiaomi 13 Pro is expensive at 4,999 yuan, that is 60k INR slash 718 US dollars. So what do you guys think about these devices? Which would you pick, Xiaomi 13 or Xiaomi 13 Pro? Comment down. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.